If you watch my channel, you know I'm a big fan of Razer, and they make some really award-winning, excellent laptops. And if you watched my review of the Razer phone, you know I really love that design, love those speakers, and really like it as a great smartphone, especially for gaming and media consumption. And with that Razer phone, they want to now take it to the next level. They introduced a concept device called Project Linda. It's basically a dock a la Continuum from Microsoft. It basically takes your Razer phone, puts it into that laptop form, and makes it into a basic Ultrabook, with the Razer phone being your touchpad and the brains and the brawn behind all of this. Hey everybody, it's Andrew from CES 2018 in Las Vegas, and I got my first look at Razer's Project Linda. I'm sure many of you have already heard about Razer's Project Linda, which has caught the attention of the many in the media as well as everybody here at CES. Well, I dropped by the Razer booth to take a look at the concept, and while the wide-eyed technology enthusiast in me thought it was a super great idea, my pragmatic side remained unconvinced. That is, until I got a look at it. In case you haven't heard about this device, let me fill you in briefly. Basically, Razer took the chassis of its Blade Stealth Ultrabook, removed most of the internals, and replaced a trackpad with a slot for the company's phone. The laptop locks into the device with a simple yet effective mechanism, and then the phone screen is mirrored to the 13-inch display while also acting as the trackpad. And if you don't want to use it as a trackpad, of course, you could always connect a Bluetooth mouse. Now, generally, Android does not work well with multiple displays, so Razer worked with Sentio to create a workaround. Basically, what they did was they heavily modified the custom launcher that hides the status bar and simulates a desktop and taskbar on the screen. Now, basically, the battery from the Blade Stealth remained, which powers the RGB Chroma keyboard and display. Now, Razer told me that it could charge the Razer phone 3 times over, which is really nice. Now, the slot for the phone is even lined with a velvety material just to keep the device safe from scratches. Now, Razer also told me that were this product to come to the market, they would want a 1440p 120Hz touch display, not just a mere 1080p 60Hz one. And there are no speakers on this device, but rather they use the Razer phone speakers instead. And as you know from my review and from other reviews out there, it's got some of the best sounding speakers on any device, not just on a smartphone. Snapping the phone into place is really easy. It's got a really simple mechanism, but very effective. Now, the shell has a USB-C port for charging, a USB 3.0 port, and of course a headphone jack, which is also great. And of course, this is still just a concept, and there are no plans for them to bring this to the market, at least not yet. And judging by the attention that it has garnered here at CES 2018, I think they are definitely onto something, and this may actually come to fruition at some point, but who knows. But so far, I like the execution. I like what they have done with this Project Linda, and I think they're onto something. So hopefully, with enough attention, enough support, they will actually bring this to market. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I am curious to know what you think about Project Linda. I have more continuing coverage from CES 2018 here in Las Vegas, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter for the latest updates. So please hit the like button, please subscribe, please share this video. Don't forget to leave a comment in that comment section below. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if there's anything out there you think I should review. I'll do my best to try to make that happen. Don't forget to check me out on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and of course our website, AMDtechreviews.com. So until next time, this is Andrew from AMDtech. See ya.